Hi guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming my May 2019 Simply Gilded subscription box unboxing. And this month's theme was May flowers, and it's got this adorable like pink and gray and the bumblebees, and the foiling is silver. So let's take a peek inside. I did open it because this is my first box and I was just so excited that I couldn't help but get into it right away. So all of the boxes come with a pen, and this is just so pretty. And it something that I didn't know is these pens are quite heavy. They are definitely like a very nice pen. And so I don't know if you can see that, but it's got the protective little wax bit, and it's also got Simply Gilded engraved on the pen cap. So, but yeah, and Irene is also selling the refills to these pens, so you don't have to worry about them running out. Let's see, I'm going to save the washi for last, which is in this cute little pouch. The next thing is this cute Jasper magnet. So he has got this cute little magnet back, and I'm excited to find a place to put him. He's just so cute. And even the card that he comes on is foiled. So, and then the next thing, we have these foiled sticky notes, and it's got cute little ladybugs, and I'm so excited to put these in my planner. So there's that. And then we also get this cute corner pocket, and it's got the foiled bumblebee on it. Yeah, it does look like it's almost like a faux leather type pocket, and it feels really nice. So I'm excited to find a place to put this. And then this is the B6 Traveler's Notebook with the honey sweet cover. And I think I'm just going to end up putting this in like my purse, as like a little like jot your thought kind of notebook, because I don't use a traveler's notebook, but I just thought this was really, really cute. And then as always, there is this like menu card that says everything that comes in the box. And then we got a sheet of foiled bow seals. I'm really excited to put these in my planner. I just love the way that they like shine. They're so gorgeous. And then here is the journaling card. It says Believe. So pretty. And then here are the sticker sheets. So we got these really cute juniper stickers, and then they have, it's gonna be kind of hard to see, and there's a cat. Oh boy. Okay, come on Sven, get down. And then Juniper has flowers, and they are also silver foiled. Okay, so I got a phone call, so things might look a little different here, but I was saying that we get a sheet of junipers, and then these are the two sticker sheets that we get. It's like a mini kit, so it's got headers and date covers and some really fun functional stuff, and these adorable full boxes, and some more full boxes, and some cute adorable deco sheets and some flags. It's just really cute. So, and her paper's like kind of like semi-gloss, I don't know. It's kind of interesting to feel this. So, I don't know. I'm excited to incorporate these into my A5 planner when I get this, or when I get it set up. So, and then now for the pièce de la résistance, the washi. So this, this box also comes with a pouch, and it's got the Simply Gilded tag on the inside, and it's lined, and it's just so cute and like the perfect size. I would say this is probably what, like a 4x6, 5x7, something like that. Just the perfect size to like throw in a couple pens and a couple washi tapes to take like on vacation, or, you know, so that's that. And then this kit came with 5 washi tapes, 3 15mm, and then 2 10mm. And so this one is the Stardust. Oh my gosh, I don't even know. And I am gonna open these. Okay, so here are all of the washi tapes swatched out. So here's the one with the bees and the flowers. Here is the Stardust with the silver and the like coppery foil. Here are the nectar bows. Here is the word washi, and then here is the bees and the flowers. And then the bees and the flowers are all silver foil. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing of the Simply Gilded May 2019 subscription box. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.